Let's revisit the free transformation command, in this case applied to smart objects. If I choose File, Place, and navigate to an object, it'll go ahead and add it into the layer, and it comes in as a smart object automatically. You can also convert a layer to a smart object by right-clicking and choosing Convert to Smart Object. The advantage here is that when you do free transformations, they're being done on the smart object itself. So if you were to decide that you wanted that very small, and then changed your mind, all of the original resolution is still inside that smart object. This gives you great flexibility as you move and position elements. Remember, smart objects can also have things like drop shadows or strokes applied using layer styles, and this gives you nice interactive controls. There we go. And let's just apply a slight stroke to that outside edge. And that looks good. And notice as we transform, the transformations adjust with the stroke and the drop shadow as well. There we go. So, very flexible as you want to make changes there. And if you ever needed to, a quick double click on the smart object would bring you into the original image with all of its resolution. Any changes you make in here, such as color correction, will go ahead and apply to the object. And when I close and save, you'll see that they propagate forward into the smart object itself.